Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mammals and cats, dogs, chickens, ducks, and all that in between. Yours truly, Bully More Smoke, with the check-in. You know what I mean? Per usual. You understand me? Now, without further ado, that man Spike out in that sun, lamping and lounging. You hear me? You understand me? Ain't that right, big boy? What you do? Come on, bye. Be nice and full. Just ate. I just came in from work. You know what I mean? Had to make sure he get his little daily breakfast real quick. I chopped him up a little piece of apple. You understand me? And I introduced him to some wet this week. Just to see, how my man like it. Or whatever. You already know the white rice. You understand me? And then what I did this time, y'all, I spread it. And then I put a little dollop of peanut butter in the middle. And then I covered it up with the food, you feel me? And just let him go to town. So he just extra content this morning, like, you know what I mean? Ain't that right, that boy? Yeah, the big boy. Yeah, the big boy. I ain't got the bully socks on or nothing this morning, y'all. Fresh off work. Still got all my work shit, so it is what it is. I can't, man. Can't do all bully foot shit this morning. But yeah, just you know what I mean. You already know. Been a little couple days since me and my man was on with y'all, and I want to keep giving y'all updates. Not daily, but probably like weekly, then like bi-weekly as he grow or something. I don't really know. He seemed to enjoy the camera. What you do, boy? What you do? Yeah, that guy. Yeah, my guy. Big boy. That's my guy. You've been wanting to mess with that bag the whole time, but you know I'm gonna say something, so you keep trying to sneak. Ah, ah. Get all that. Ah, ah. Off. Leave it alone. Bam. Yeah, them spike spike. You looking for them birds this morning, boy? They ain't down here yet. He be trying to play with the pigeons down here. Come on. What you got? Put that down. Big boy. You making them jumps now? They say you make it down the steps. Easy, real easy, Big Spike. Yeah. He met my neighbor Doug yesterday. She a grown bully. This boy don't know how to act. I think he fell in love or something. He started crying because she went in the house. This after she tried to eat him. You understand me? And not in a good way. He didn't care. He didn't care. Did you, boy? What you doing, Spike? Get all that dirty mask. What you do? What you do? Come on. Come on. Look at that. Look at that pose on this man. Come on, he loves my neighbor. Loves my neighbor. He loves my neighbor. Every time he said he every time he said. Every time he said. Every time he said he love her. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. That's my guy. How you doing this morning, man? All right now. Come on. Come on, boy. Big boy. Star of the hour. Yeah. Come here. Come on, bike. She going in the house. Spike, spike. Splash back. Come on. Come on, boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's my guy. Come on, we're going around the corner. Come on. Come on. You got the bathroom? Good boy. Good boy. You use it outside? Good boy. You use it outside? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Good boy. Here. Here. Slide. Treat. Here. Boy. Here. So you used it outside. Good boy. Good boy. You use it outside. That's a good boy. But yeah, y'all. You know, it's just a little, you know what I mean? A little early morning for y'all. My man just